Borrowdale St Andrews, welcome to Monday Morning Assembly. I hope everyone's well this morning. Okay, for the last few weeks we've been talking a little bit about the 6 principles of nurture. There they are in front of you there, hopefully you can see those. This week we were due to just finish off with the importance of transition. Because we're now getting on into the year a bit, we do need to move on. So I'm going to send some information about that one to your teachers, just for them to talk to you about during the week at some point. It's important to remember that even though we're not focusing on them in our assemblies, those 6 principles of nurture will be the things that your teachers will be thinking about all day, every day, to keep you nice and safe and happy. So we've got teachers to be planning our learning for us so that we can understand it. We can expect our teachers and everyone in our school to offer a safe place. We can expect lots of work around how we're going to look after our well-being and how we can use our language to talk about our feelings. And we can also think about our behaviour. Okay, so they're not going to go away. However, very exciting, it's time to move on and it's time to start thinking about our lovely REACH curriculum, which I'm sure you're all very familiar with, but we haven't talked about in detail for quite some time. Okay, so a couple of years ago, we introduced our REACH curriculum. What we did was all the teachers sat down and decided what we wanted our children in our school to be when they left. What things did we want them to have? What special qualities did we want every single pupil to have? And this is what we came up with. So we wanted everybody to be respectful, engaged, ambitious, confident and happy. And if we can do that for all our pupils, we know that we've done a good job. Okay, so today, just to think about, to reach for the stars, you need to be the best person and the best learner you can be. And what we're going to do is we're going to develop our learning powers. So I'd just like you to think about today the types of things that might help us to become better learners. If you'd like to pause it now and just have a think about that question for me. Okay, I'm sure we have lots of ideas there, and it is really important for us to share our ideas both in class with teachers and with our friends and around the school as well. Okay, so today we're going to start with R, the R letter in REACH. R is for respect. Okay, and what today is about understanding what respect is and why it's important for us to be respectful. So what is respect? So to show respect, what we need to do is to show other people how much we value them, how much we think they're important, because everybody is important. We need to listen to their ideas and their beliefs, and we need to listen to them carefully. And even if we don't agree with them, we still need to listen to their point of view, because everybody's entitled to their own point of view. When we're not showing respect, we quite possibly could hurt somebody else's feelings or appear quite rude towards them. So respect means being thoughtful and considerate of other people's feelings. It means behaving in a polite way towards others around you. And not only is it important to respect others, it's also just as important for us to respect ourselves. We should love ourselves and realise all of our good points. So we're thinking about what's good about us too, and that links to our well-being part of nurture. So here's a few pictures of people showing respect and being respectful. You may want to stop this here and just have a little talk about what you can see happening in those pictures. So how can we show respect? Every day you can show respect in school by listening to other people, whether they be your teacher or your friends. You need to be listening carefully. Following our school rules, of course, saying kind things to other people, waiting for your turn, including others in our activities, using good manners, greeting someone when they enter the room, speak politely to others when you're having a conversation, hold the door open for someone else, and remembering to say please and thank you. Over the next few weeks, we will be looking really carefully at other ways of showing respect. Okay, I'm going to share some things with you now. First of all, I'm going to share our respect chant, and I'm sure lots of you will have remembered this. So please feel free to join in with this and think about all the little stories that you can see within this chant.
Hello, youngsters. I've got some stories for you, and they all have to do with one word: respect. Well, I was on the playground, and what did I see? Another kid who wanted to use the same monkey bars as me. I wanted to go first, but I said no, after you. Yes, I know respect is the thing to do. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Treating everybody respectfully. Well, I walked down the hallway, and what did I see? A teacher with quiet students in the classroom next to me. I wanted to be noisy, I had something to say, but I stayed nice and quiet, the respectful way. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Treating everybody respectfully. Well, I was doing a puzzle, and what did I see? A kid forgot to clean up. Did the teacher even see? I thought that I'd just leave it there, as messy as could be. But then I thought, clean it up. Respect, you see? R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Treating everybody respectfully. Last story. Well, I was with my friends, and what did I see? Someone making fun of kids being a big bully. Now, I could have joined in too and been really, really mean. But instead, I was extremely nice, respectfully. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I always treat my friends like I hope they treat me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Treating everybody respectfully.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that and can remember that as well. Just bear with me. I'm now going to share with you a little film clip, and what I'd like you to do is talk about the different characters in this film clip and what they mean to you, and who's being respectful and who's not being respectful. Okay, just checking my sounds on. Hopefully this will be. There we go. Okay, just bear with me while I just try and get my PowerPoint back up. Hopefully, feel free to have a little talk about what your thoughts and opinions are on that film while I find the next part. Okay, so quite clear who was being respectful and who wasn't in there. I hope that's given you a little bit of something to think about. Just a little moment for reflection. Just to remember, respect can't be learned or bought with money or acquired. It can only be earned. And it can only be earned by showing other people respect in the first place. So have a little think and a reflect. How are you going to earn your respect today off other people? And how are you going to earn respect for the rest of the weekend and on from that? If you see somebody being respectful this week, it might be good to say that was respectful, or maybe even RESPECT. I'm going to look forward to hearing about all of your thoughts and how we've been respectful as I'm coming around this week, but also I might collect some of your ideas next week in assembly. I hope you have a really good week. Let's just say our prayer together. Diolch I ti am I byd. Diolch am ein ffrindiau I gyd. Amen. Enjoy your week and I will catch up with you again at the same time next week. Ta bo chi.